Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a makeup tutorial for you and I wanted to feature the RMS Beauty Signature Set. This is the Pop Collection Signature Set. There is also another signature set that has a few different products in it, but this is my kind of jam right here. We've got the Luminizer, Magic Luminizer, the Buriti Bronzer, Demure Lip to Cheek and Beloved Lip to Cheek. So it's a fantastic little set that you can take away with you. It's so versatile. All of the products can be used in a multitasking sort of way. So I like to use these obviously for highlight, contour, bronzing, but you can also use them on your eyes. And these two here you can use on your lips or your cheeks, and then there is also a lip balm in there as well. So this is a really perfect set to take away with you when you're packing and you need to pack light, because it is so versatile. And if you haven't tried these products from RMS Beauty before, it's a really good way to try some of their products, because obviously buying them individually would be a lot more expensive. I think from memory this retails for around $45 US. So before I dive into using the set, I thought I may as well make this a sort of one brand tutorial. So I'm just going to clean up my base first and get that looking even, and do not squeeze pimples before you film videos, because now I have this red mark here, but this will hopefully fix it. So I have the RMS Beauty Uncover Up Concealer. I'm in the shade 22. This concealer is so creamy, so hydrating. It doesn't really settle in fine lines or anything. It's a really good natural concealer. And the other good thing is, being a cream sort of product, you can use it for an all over foundation, which is what I'm going to do today. You can go as heavy or as light as you like with the product. This does probably suit people with dry, mature skin, more so than those with oily skin. You can definitely still use it if you have oily skin, but you will need to powder because it's quite a nourishing product. I would not recommend using this as your everyday foundation, because you're going to use that up probably within a couple of weeks. But it's really good if you're feeling lazy and you just want something where you don't have to do your foundation and concealer separately. This is a really good way to achieve that. So all of the products that I'm using today, apart from the setting powder, are cream products. I love working with cream products. I find they work really well on my skin because I'm getting a little older now. And it makes it easy to, if you're using all cream products, to sort of blend everything together. Gives a really nice finish. So you can see it is very dewy, so I'm going to have to go in with some powder. I just realized I wasn't filming, but anyway, what I was saying is I've just applied some extra product using a concealer brush to areas where I need extra coverage. So I've just put some under my eyes and also on this blemish here. The other reason why I love cream products so much is they're so easy to apply, and there's so many ways you can blend them out and work with them and mix them in. So I'm just taking my finger to apply, or not to apply, to blend what I've put under my eye. This is such a good way to apply makeup if you are busy, in a hurry, you don't have time to be working with 20 different brushes. To get rid of this shine, I'm taking the RMS Beauty Powder. This is the translucent powder. You can get this in tinted form, so more like adding extra coverage, kind of like a mineral foundation that you can put over the top to set your liquid or cream foundation. This is so soft and fine and silky, but it is so effective at absorbing and keeping shine away. So it does come with this little powder puff here, which I've actually been enjoying using this a lot more lately. I like to use this for larger areas, so for my forehead, you can kind of pinch it, and I like to roll the product over my skin, and you'll see what a difference this will make. See how the shine is just gone? I'm not applying this on my cheek sort of areas because I am going to be applying more cream products. For my under eyes, I prefer a lighter sort of finish under there, so I'm taking the Real Techniques setting brush, and I'll show you the difference between this eye and the one that has not been powdered. Check that out. Pretty big difference. Okay, now that I'm happy with my base, it's looking nice and clean and evened out, I'm going to go in with the Signature Set and start building some color back into my skin. I'm going to start out with the bronzer, and I'm going to, I guess, kind of contour a little bit with this, but it's more to add some color and some definition back into my cheek area. You can apply this with your fingers, with a brush, and blend it out. So I like to use one of these mini beauty blenders. I just find that it mutes the color a little bit more. I like to go slow with these products, but the good thing about creams is they're a lot easier to blend out if you make a mistake. So I'm just going down the lower sort of part of my cheek, just under my cheekbone, and I'm basically blending it up. Just going to keep building up the color until I'm happy with it. And you can also go back in with concealer or foundation over this if you need to mute it a little bit more, because we haven't applied any powder here. For my cheeks, I'm going to go in with the Lip to Cheek in Beloved. This is a cute soft pink sort of shade, and I'm taking a small beauty blender again to apply that. So I'm just putting this on sort of the top of the apples of my cheeks. I just want a subtle hint. I'm not really a blush person, so something soft is good for me. That is more than enough for me. For my highlighter, I'm going in with the Magic Luminizer. This is such a beautiful highlighter, and I'm just applying that with my finger. For my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the bronzer and highlighter and just give it a wash of color. I'm just feeling a bit bleh today. I feel like I need to add some life back into my skin. I actually had a massage yesterday, and oh my god, I was so sore, I was so stiff, and I feel like I've been hit by a truck today. So I know I'll feel good in the next couple of days, but yeah. Anyway, I'm taking my finger and applying some bronzer to my lids. See what I mean with how quick and easy this is? You can seriously, you could do this whole makeup tutorial apart from the powder using your hands. Just going to blend out those edges, blending brush, and then I'll probably go back in because this will take a little bit of that away. I'm also going to run some of the bronzer on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking the highlighter and I'm going to put that on my inner corner and also just under my brow bone. For my lips, I think I'm going to go back in with the Beloved Lip to Cheek. I just feel like this is a little bit too bright for me today. I'm sort of not in the mood for it. So I'm just applying that with my finger. Such a beautiful everyday color. Unfortunately, I do not have the RMS Beauty, I don't even know if they have a mascara, but either way, I don't have it. So I've just applied my own mascara that's not RMS Beauty. But apart from that, this is the finished makeup look. Surprise, surprise, it's dewy and glowy as per usual. I really hope, oh my god, look at that highlighter. Put some sunglasses on. I really hope that you enjoyed my one brand tutorial today. Please let me know down below what your favorite RMS Beauty product is, particularly if it's something that I did not use today, because I love your recommendations and suggestions for amazing products that you're loving at the moment. Also, please feel free to leave any requests down below for future videos, but otherwise don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on future videos. And as always, thank you so much. You are all amazing. I appreciate your support, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.